Are you willing to become an online entrepreneur and do you want to start your own web hosting company today with recurring monthly income? HostingOrphic makes it possible with our reseller hosting plans. So instead of building from scratch, you can launch your own hosting company today with the tools and training already set up for you. With our plans, you'll get 300 cPanel accounts, 500 GB NVMe storage, and 300 GB bandwidth, giving you the power to serve hundreds of paying clients. Each plan includes free web host manager to manage clients. With WHM, you can easily create and manage cPanel accounts for your clients, set resource limits, monitor usage, and customize package to fit different customers' needs. Along with the WHM, you'll also get a free WHMCS license, which is industry's #1 billing and automation platform. WHMCS automates everything, from customer signups and invoicing to account provisioning and support. This means you can run your hosting business hands-free, focusing on growth, while WHMCS handle the heavy lifting of billing, client management, and renewals. So last but not the least, you'll also get a free ready-made hosting website that is fully integrated so customers can order and get their hosting instantly. And to help you succeed, we also provide free reseller hosting training so even the beginners can start making money from day one. So why wait? Start your hosting company today with HostingOrphic.com and turn your clients into steady monthly income stream. Visit HostingOrphic.com now and take your first step toward financial freedom.